traffic sky 42 Tango, departing one-way 9er floor.
Alright, ready?
He's clear.
Yep. Got power. Airspace alive. 55, low back pressure.
Skyhawk 7842 Tango, 10 East Bloomsburg, requesting advisories to Spring Hill. Oh, I forgot the altitude.
That's okay.
7842 Tango, Wilkes-Barre approach, Wilkes-Barre altimeter 29er 9er 5.
29er, 9er 5, 7842 Tango. Alright,
Tango, squawk 0247.
0247.
14 Tango, radar contact 15 miles east of Wilkes-Barre Airport. Now Spring Hill is actually closed forever.
Roger that. I guess we'll pick somebody else.
Alright, let me know.
I guess we're going to go to Cherry Ridge.
Where's that?
Just a little bit further. And we'll 7842 Tango, we're going to go to Cherry Ridge instead then.
14 Tango, roger, Port Cherry Ridge.
42 Tango. I'm not sure where this traffic is.
14 Tango, traffic 12 o'clock, 1 mile westbound on 299.
Looking for that traffic, 42 Tango. Okay, so the airport, Cherry Ridge, is on 122.8 at runway 1836, which is 2986 by 50 feet long. Their elevation is 1357, so their traffic pattern is probably 2400 feet.
So they have a shorter runway than us?
Yep, they do.
Wilkes-Barre 7842 Tango has Cherry Ridge in sight.
14 Tango, roger, no traffic observed, change advisor, frequency approved.
42 Tango, good day.
42 Tango, good day.
Alright, 122.8.
Alright. You have the plane?
I have the plane. Cherry Ridge traffic, Skyhawk 42 Tango, 3 miles to the west inbound, Cherry Ridge. Cherry Ridge traffic, Skyhawk 42 Tango is entering the downwind for runway 36, Cherry Ridge. You see what I'm saying about the lake?
Oh, yeah.
Push up, big technical 31 miles north. East.
I thought it was over that way. More.
Alright. So we're on our downwind, we're a beam, carburetor heat, throttle back. Flaps go to 10. And there is a windsock and it does say runway 36, so.
Cherry Ridge traffic, Sky 42 Tango, base 36. Cherry Ridge. Downwind, we were very close to
We're very tight now. Yeah, more power. More power. More power count. More power. More power. I'll level off here. Back to that center line.
less power now.
A little bit, yeah. Okay, a little less power, a little less power. Got a major displaced threshold, don't they?
Yeah. Should we check the restaurant out?
Sure, why not? Never been there. Alright, power to idle. Level off, looking down the runway, and flare. A little bit of light brakes. Got your flaps, carburetor heat off.
Cherry Ridge traffic, Skyhawk 42 Tango, departing 36 Cherrywood. Alright.
Alright, ready? Full power. Got our power. Release the brakes. 1 looking for 60. So we clear our obstacles. Including our little lake.
Swamp.
Yeah.
Wilkes-Barre, Skyhawk 7842 Tango, 7 miles west Cherry Ridge, requesting advisories to Bloomsburg.
7842 Tango, you said you're landing Williamsburg?
Bloomsburg, November 13.
7842 Tango, radar contact, squawk 0246.
0246. Wilkes-Barre, Skyhawk 7842 Tango, I have Bloomsburg in sight.
42 Tango, change to advisor, frequency approved. No traffic observed.
So long, 42 Tango.
Traffic.
Bloomsburg traffic, Skyhawk 42 Tango, entering downwind for 9er Blum. Bloomsburg traffic, Skyhawk 42 Tango, base 9er Blum.